Hey guys, in this video, I will show you how to check who shared your Facebook post. All right, let's begin. To start, open the Facebook app on your phone. This method is consistent across iPhone, Android, and desktop devices. First, tap on the menu icon located at the top left corner of your screen. From the menu options, select Settings and Privacy, and then choose Settings to access your account configuration. Once you are in the Settings menu, scroll down until you find the Notifications section and tap it to open. Next, locate and open the section titled More Activity About You. It is important to ensure that notifications for shares are turned on here. You can enable push notifications, email, or SMS alerts so you are immediately notified whenever someone shares your content. Now, whenever a user shares your post, Facebook will generate an entry in the Notifications tab. Simply tap the notification to view the shared post and see who posted it. So that's basically how you can check who shared your Facebook post. That's it for this video. Thanks!